Hey, you may be thinking about starting your own activity and becoming self-employed. You may be considering the pros and the cons and making a business plan in your mind. We'd like to offer you some information that may help you make your decision. In Belgium, there are many subsidies that are meant to help entrepreneurs make their first steps, both on a regional and on a federal level. Let's start with the tremplin indépendant. This one was designed for job seekers. It allows you to maintain your unemployment benefits while you start your activity as a self-employed. In this case, you would be treated as a complementary self-employed, which means you'd pay progressive social contributions as your revenue increases. We've made a video that goes deeper into the complementary self-employed status. Be advised that the more you earn in your self-employed activity, the less unemployment benefits you will receive. If you pass a certain threshold of revenue, you can even completely lose your unemployment benefits, and you will automatically become full-time self-employed. This is a great deal because you can maintain a stable income, your unemployment benefits, while building up your entrepreneurial projects without too much financial stress. And this very comfortable situation can be maintained for up to 12 months. Of course, there are some conditions that must be respected. First, you must be a Belgian resident. Then, you must receive insertion or unemployment benefits. Also, make sure you've declared your self-employed activity to the National Employment Office. You cannot deliberately quit your job to take advantage of the tremplin indépendant. And you could not have worked in your self-employed activity within the last 6 years. This subsidy is really meant to help beginner freelancers launch themselves in their new career. You cannot hire employees or delegate work. If you've reached this point, it's probably best that you are a full-time self-employed or even launch a company structure. And lastly, you cannot accumulate this advantage with an artist status or another job. You can either continue your self-employed activity and thus stop receiving unemployment benefits, or you can abandon your self-employed activity and go back to receiving your unemployment benefits. The Brussels region has a similar benefit meant to help job seekers start their independent activity. It's called the Brussels Prime pour Indépendants. With the Brussels Prime pour Indépendants, you are eligible for a digressive help that can go up to 1,250 euros every month. In Wallonia, there is something called the Airbag Fund that is aimed at giving a boost to new freelancers in Wallonia. This help can go to over 12,500 euros. And it is meant for people who have gone through a specific training or who are enrolled in a job auto-creation program. Similarly, the Flemish region also offers transition benefits for professionals who are reconverting to self-employment a bit later in their career. As you can see, you are not alone on your self-employed journey. And help like this can really make a difference when you're considering creating your own job. Our app can also help you get rid of the need of hiring an accountant, which will lower your costs and will give you the confidence to stay on top of your finances from day one. If you're considering becoming a freelancer this year, it looks like the wind is in your favor. Good luck and see you in the next one.